Hi, I'm Laura Akram and welcome to today's Yoga Flow. We're going to be following on the theme from this week, feeling strong in our standing poses and looking in particular at side angle. So we're going to start on the floor. If you come to all fours into tabletop position, spread the fingers nice and wide, bring the knees underneath the hips and start to mobilize the spine. As we breathe in, lower the belly, lift the chest, lift the chin. And as we exhale, round the back, draw the tummy in, press the hips back. 2 more. Inhale as we lower the belly, lift the chest, lift the chin. And exhale, draw the chin to the chest, round the back, and push the hips back towards the heels. And the last one, inhale. Breathing in softly. Exhaling softly. Inhale as we return to tabletop. And exhale, just bringing the knees to touch. Inhale, lifting the right leg. Just bring the hands over to the left side and step the right leg forwards. We're going to turn on the shin so the back shin is parallel to the short end of the mat and come up. So we keep a bend in the front knee, toes are facing forwards, arms out to the side. As you exhale, just gently bending into the front knee, and inhale as you come up, reaching the right arm up, little side stretch here. As you exhale, rebending into the front knee. And inhale, we come up, reversing the shape. Exhale. And inhale as we come up. Exhale, little bend in the front knee. Last one, inhale as we come up. Exhale, little bend into the front knee. This time resting the elbow on the thigh, bringing the arm down, up and alongside the ear. So we turn the palm up and take the gaze up towards the palm of the hand, keeping the chin tucked in towards the armpit. Now feel free to use a cushion under that back knee if it's uncomfortable for you. Breathing. Strong through the sole of the front foot, staying supported using the exhalations. And coming back to that reverse position. And exhale, windmill the arms down. Reposition the back leg and step back into a high plank. Lower the knees down, chest and chin follow. Flatten, inhale to a baby cobra. And exhale, press back to child's pose. Taking one breath in. And one breath out. As you inhale, come back to tabletop. Lift the left leg as you bring the hands over to the right. To step the left leg forwards, turning on the shin, coming all the way up once again in this side position. I'll change directions. You stay exactly as you are, arms out to the side. Exhale, we bend into the front knee. Inhale, come up and reverse. Soft through the shoulders. Exhale, rebend the front knee. Inhale, we come up. And exhale, we bend. Inhale to come up. Exhale to bend. And the last one, inhale to come up. And exhale to bend. This time, elbow rests on the thigh. Right arm, bring it down. All the way up and over. Chin tucked into the armpit. Gaze to the palm of the hand. Now don't let the hips sink down. Don't let the knee and the thigh collapse. And we're strong. Lifting up, pressing up. For 3 breaths. 2. And 1. As you inhale, come back up. Exhale, windmill the arms round and down, stepping back into your high plank. Lower down knees. Chest and chin follow. Flattening through the hips, coming into baby cobra. This time, exhale, press back to child's pose. Just breathe here. 3 breaths, nice and slow, nasal breathing, soft breathing. 2. And 1. Inhale, return to tabletop. This time, tuck the toes under, lift the hips, lower the head, making your way into your first downward facing dog. Feet are about hip distance apart, pressing back through the heel and gently pushing through the palms. As you bring the big toes to touch, lifting the right leg. Look forwards. Exhale, big step to the top of the mat. Drop the back heel in as you rise up to warrior 2. Take a breath in here. As you exhale, coming into warrior 2. As we flip the palms, reach up, straighten up, reach to the sky. And exhale back to warrior 2. 2 more. Inhale, reach, straighten. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reach and straighten. Exhale, warrior 2. This time, right elbow comes to the thigh, left hand all the way down, a diagonal line. So focusing on that strength through the legs, keep pressing down through the outer edge of the back foot. And make sure that front knee isn't collapsing in, it's drawing out and back. Again, gaze towards the palm. Make sure you're not dropping the hip and lifting the outer edge of that back foot. We're strong. Lifted through the hip. Option here to take the right arm forwards. Gazing between the hands. Focusing on your breath for 2. And 1. Keeping the front leg exactly where it is, we return to warrior 2. Inhale to reverse and exhale to windmill down. We'll reverse our twist here. Inhale the right arm up, press back through the left heel. Exhale as we lower the right hand down and inhale to rise up to a high lunge. Pressing back through the back leg, trying not to let the knee bend here, straightening the back knee. Maybe cactusing the arms to open and lift the chest. Exhale, float the hands down. Step back, knees, chest, chin, or your low press up, chaturanga. Upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale to downward facing dog. 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. As you bring the toes to touch, inhale the left leg up. Look forwards, exhale, step forwards, right heel down, rise up to warrior 2. Exhale, looking down the middle fingers. As we flip the palms, inhale, reach up to straighten up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse. And exhale, we bring the left elbow down to the thigh. Right arm comes alongside the ear. Gaze towards the palm. Building that strength through the legs. Release the left arm and hold here. Keep reaching the arms diagonally up and over and pressing into the outer edge of the back foot. As we take the gaze down, the right hand comes down, lift the back heel. Left arm reaches up, pressing back through the right heel, straightening the leg. Windmill the left arm back as we lower the back knee. Inhale, reach up. Pressing down through the feet to rise up into your high lunge. Exhale to cactus the arms to open the chest. And the hands come down. Frame the front foot, step back. High plank, lower down, knees, chest, chin, or low press up. Inhale to cobra. And exhale to downward facing dog, taking 3 breaths in your downward facing dog. From here, inhale the right leg up. Look forward, step forward. This time, back heel grounds, right hand stays down. Trying to plant the hand down on the floor, or you can come onto fingertips, or use a block. So the body is in a diagonal line from the outer edge of the back foot all the way to the fingertips of that left hand. If you want a little extra challenge, we bring the right arm to the inside and underneath. Internally rotate the shoulder and take the gaze up. Take the gaze down. Release the arms if you're in bind and come all the way up to warrior two. Straightening both legs, turn the toes in. Turn the left toes out. Same again. Left hand comes down. Right arm up and over, diagonal line. Strong through the legs. Keep pressing down through the soles of the feet. Option. Left hand comes inside. Really drop the shoulder, roll it in and down. Maybe the fingertips meet. Gazing up towards the ceiling. Releasing the bind, windmill up, coming to warrior two. As you straighten both legs, turn the toes in. Right toes face forwards again, we windmill all the way down. Step back, high plank. Lower down knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, press back to child's pose. Slow your breath. And bring yourself down all the way onto your tummy. Just come onto your forearms. Relax through the shoulders. As we thread the needle, right arm comes underneath the left, lowering the right shoulder, draw the left knee up. Little spinal twist here as we open out to the left side. Let the knee lift, try and keep the shoulders down. As we come back the way we went in, straighten the legs, roll onto the tummy, back onto the forearms. So lift the right elbow, left arm threads underneath, shoulder comes down, right knee drags up towards the elbow. So we roll onto the back, spinal twist. And this time, instead of coming back the way we went in, roll onto your back, bring the right foot next to the left and just slide yourself over to the left. Release the legs, take them all the way down the mat. The feet fall out to the sides. Let your breath become light. Shavasana. Feel free to stay here for as long as you need. And I'll see you next time.